a lot of people, and especially in the metros, because in the last 40-day lockdown, there were no domestic helps. A lot of people have been wondering whether after the relaxation, they would be able to call back their domestic helps. It is safe to call them back. While several relaxations have been announced by the centre for the domestic helps, there is still a lot of confusion as far as the major cities are concerned. In many cities, resident welfare associations, despite the MHA order, have not decided whether to permit the domestic helps and other workers into their societies. Let's just first take a look at what are the rules. What are the rules which have been stated by the Ministry of Home Affairs? The Ministry of Home Affairs says that the domestic helps can come allowed in all zones except the containment zones of areas of red zone. So if you are in green, orange, red, all zones, they are allowed to in fact come. But domestic helps are allowed only between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. They can't come post 7 p.m. If you want them. Otherwise, you'll have to make arrangements for them to stay in your house. Helps who live in the clusters, a cluster zone, will not be allowed to return to work. So if your domestic help is in a containment zone, that person will not be able to come to your house. Domestic helps will have to travel themselves. No travel arrangements right now, remember, by the government, because the public transport is shut. So it's more feasible for the domestic helps, those who are living in your area, near your area. In absence of public transport, benefit to, as I was saying, those who are living near the place of their employment. Now, resident welfare associations, RWAs, have been given the final say on this admission now of the domestic helps. Now, this has created its own set of problems because there have been advisories and everything that has been sent, but the problem as far as these advisories are that the RWAs now are in some places are being accused of making arbitrary rules. Now, domestic helps, let's just very quickly take a look at the cities, major cities. In Delhi, domestic helps are allowed, but RWAs largely, as we have seen, are refusing entry. In Bengaluru, domestic helps are allowed. RWAs, once again, are making their own rules. In Chennai, domestic helps are not allowed. So the government has not given any relaxation there. In Mumbai, no domestic help in any society, any place are allowed to come from outside. These are the top 4 cities. Now, the situation is persistent across the country. What is happening in your city? And what are the problems not only the RWAs but the domestic helps are facing? Take a look at this story.
Ruma Payera, a housemate, has been jobless for more than 40 days now. She's desperate to start work, but her Kolkata employer is not allowing her into the house, fearing infection.
ওই রেশনে সব দিচ্ছে, ওই দিয়েই চালাচ্ছি। লোকের বাড়ি গেলে কাজ করতে দিচ্ছে না বলে, করোনার জন্য আমাদের ঢুকতে দিচ্ছে না, তার জন্য মাইনাও দিচ্ছে না। কতগুলো বাড়িতে কাজ করেন? আমি 8টা বাড়ি কাজ করি।
Many have not been paid for the month of April by their regular employers.
আমার এই কাজের উপর আমার সংসার নির্ভর করে। হ্যাঁ, অতএব এখন আমার পয়সা কড়িরও খুব অসুবিধা, আমার সংসারটাও খুবভাবে ভালোভাবে চলে না। বাড়িতে একজন বৃদ্ধ শাশুড়ি আছেন আমার কাছে।
It's the same story in city after city.
अब क्या कर रहे हैं, एक टाइम खाते हैं एक टाइम नहीं खाते, भूखे रहते हैं।
पिछले महीने का तो दे दिया था, इस महीने का तनख्वाह मुझे नहीं दिया गया। मुझसे कह दिया कि इस महीने का तनख्वाह भूल जाओ। मेरे छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं 2, मेरी समस्या है, मेरे बच्चे दूध के लिए दूध भी मांग रहे हैं, मैं उनको दूध के लिए भी नहीं दे पा रही हूँ।
The government has left it to resident welfare associations to take a call on allowing domestic help into their areas. The RWAs say they are in a fix on how to interpret the guidelines.
Residents बहुत डरे हुए हैं कि अगर मेड्स को अलाउ कर दिया गया या और लोगों को अलाउ कर दिया गया तो मेड्स की स्क्रीनिंग हम कैसे करेंगे, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ करीब 400 से 500 मेड्स रोजाना आती हैं, 1100 घर हैं। इसलिए गवर्नमेंट से रिक्वेस्ट है कि प्रॉपर गाइडलाइंस इशू करें।
हम भी इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं कि ये ग्रीन जोन में आए, कुछ ज़्यादा क्लियर गाइडलाइंस आए। लोगों के अंदर फियर भी है चीज़ें एज यूजुअल चलने के लिए। फिलहाल वैसी एक्सेस नहीं है जैसे पहले हुआ करती थी।
Some societies have decided to let domestic help in, but they are being extremely careful. They are allowing domestic workers after thermal screening and ensuring they are using sanitizers. But such societies are few. The rest are not just willing to take a chance. With Manogya Loiwal in Kolkata, Isha Gupta in Delhi and Abhishek Anand in Noida, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.